Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will make a post request with Postman and I will show you how this data is stored in Google Cloud Firestore. So let's start the fast API. Okay, everything is started, and here I have already created Postman collection, so I will not deep dive in Postman. So I will send this data. So you can see I've added phone number, email and password. So let's send, and you can see we have not found. So why is that? We forgot to import in fast API here in the main file. You can see we didn't import the router. So let me just import it. Okay, so from routers dot routes import API router, which is the main router. So here after first API app dot include router, we have the same method API router. Okay, and we will return to Postman. We will send. Okay, so okay. Okay, so here we have a mistake, JWK. Okay, I will restart the application. And one more mistake, we can see in the prefix we have to out the dash, not dash, the I forgot the English name. Never mind. Okay, so let's create the post request, and voila, we have the ID, first name, last name, email and password. Okay, so what if we delete the last name? I will send, and you can see we have a schema validation. So last name is missing. Maybe we can delete one more so you can see two of the bodies are missing. Let's get back. Okay, let's delete the phone number since in this project it's not required. Okay, so we can see we created two times job done with the same email. We will of course fix that. So let me show you in Google Cloud Firestore. Okay, drag the window. So here we have the collection. Let me make this window smaller. I will reload. And as I mentioned, you can see we have two documents. You can see the collection. It's users with the email, first name, last name and the password. So I will delete this collection, since I will add in the next video more validations. Not validation, excuse me, I will hash the password and I will check, yeah, it's validation. Do we have already registered this user? Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you for the attention.